Alright, this is Aaron again. This is another one I created that basically each area supervisor had to create a plan of their work for the year. And of course, we had three areas, four areas. So all the supervisors would load in their information and the bosses can have an overview of how much work they were going to be doing. So let's take this Paul 16 for example. Let's say that they were starting at mile point 2 on a specific highway going to mile point 18, and the highway was 18 feet wide rather than 15. They'd go back and boom, we went from 16% of the budget to 35%. Um, yeah, that's it. That was just a quick example of some of the work I've done in the past. Again, we'll go through and dissect this one and analyze it, and I can show you some tips and tricks. So subscribe to my channel and hope to see you soon. Thanks.